Today, I'm standing in the heart of Kentucky's Bluegrass at the iconic Shadwell Farm, a property that has shaped champions and defined thoroughbred excellence for more than 4 decades. Spanning approximately 3,000 acres of pristine central Kentucky countryside, this legendary estate represents one of the most prestigious breeding operations in the thoroughbred world. With its premier stallion complex, rolling pastures, and exceptional equine facilities, opportunities to acquire a property of this caliber are truly rare. Rose to global prominence within the thoroughbred industry. Known for its iconic teal-and-white racing silks, the farm became home to some of the most celebrated horses in racing history. Its rolling pastures and carefully managed land have nurtured generations of champions, making it one of the most respected names in breeding and racing. Among the many highlights of its extraordinary legacy is Invasor, the Argentine Triple Crown winner and Breeders' Cup Classic champion, who later became a leading sire. The farm's renowned Broodmare band has also produced international superstars, including Nashwan, Sakhee, Haafhd, Ghanaati, Muhaarar, and the phenomenal Baaeed. These champions are a testament to the quality and reputation of the operation. Beyond its remarkable history, the farm itself is a state-of-the-art equine facility. From stallion barns and foaling areas to yearling preparation spaces and meticulously maintained pastures, every corner of the property is designed to support world-class breeding and horse development. The landscape offers the perfect balance of beauty, functionality, and tradition. For decades, Shadwell Farm has been more than just a breeding operation. It has been a cornerstone of Kentucky's equine heritage. Now, this historic property awaits its next steward, someone who appreciates its legacy and is ready to carry one of the Bluegrass region's most treasured thoroughbred farms into its next chapter.